Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Find My iPhone. Let's get started. First, open settings and unblock your iPhone, then tap the settings app. It's like the gear icon. Next, tap your name or Apple ID. At the top of the settings, tap your name to open Apple ID settings. This is where your iCloud media and purchases and devices info is managed. Then access Find My iPhone, tap Find My, then select Find My iPhone. Then toggle Find My iPhone to off, then enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Then confirm the action. Turning off Find My iPhone will disable activation lock. Make sure you know your Apple ID and password. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.